Hi guys, welcome to Funky Monkey. I'm Tharani and today I'll be teaching you how to make little goodie bags with surprises inside, and you won't know what's inside until the end. I've also made some little ones, but today we'll only be making this big one.
Okay.
Now let's get started with the material. The materials we'll be needing are a paper. I'm using a color paper. You can use a paper of your choice, and it has to kind of be like in a rectangle, like a printer paper. And then some glue. You can use any glue. And then a pencil or a pen. And then scissors. Now let's really get started with making the craft. First, fold a little piece of your paper. Now, take your glue and put a little bit of glue on that upper part of the paper you folded. I like just putting little dots at first, and then if I need more, I'll put it later. And now I use my finger and just like rub the glue on. Now, I'm gonna take the rest of my paper and then just put it on the part where I glued. And now I'm just kind of like gonna do that, just like creasing it. And then I'm gonna keep it up like that with the folded part up, and then just push it down. Then it's in the middle. Then on the sides here, I'm just gonna fold it. Now we're done with the first step. Now flip it over and then fold a little piece of your side like this. And then do the same thing with your other side. And then if you did it a little wrong, you can fix it after you're done folding it. Now we're done folding it. So we're going to just put our finger through the middle of the paper, and then we're gonna flatten it out kind of with our fingers. And then see, with the middle crease we made, we're just gonna push it down and then take it, then kind of like fold it on. Okay, same thing like that, but with the whole paper this time. So you're gonna push it down, and then you're just going to fold it just like that. It might take a little while before you get used to this. And now you're just going to fold again, but this time over here like this. Do the same thing with the other side. Now you're done with the second step. Now for the third step, you're going to want to draw your eyes and mouth. You don't have to do this part, it's optional. I just like doing it, so it's a little creative. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I just like doing it. So eyes. And there you go, the eyes and mouth. I drew my face again because before I didn't really like it, and now I like it better. Now, take your glue and put a little bit right in there, and then use your finger and rub it, and then you can just glue it together over there. So, just not too much. Now my finger. Just rubbing it there. Now I'm just gonna hold it there like for a little bit of 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it should be gluing together. So now just go to a sink and wash your hands. Now I'm gonna turn the bag sideways and just like use my hands and puff it up a little. And then I'm gonna take a chocolate and put it in. You can put whatever you want inside. Now take your glue and do the same thing you did on this side, on this side. And now I'm going to use my finger, rubbing it. Make sure not to rub it too much that it dries up. So now I'm going to just like hold it there again for a little bit of 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have it. Your little goodie bag with a little surprise inside. Ta-da! If you want, you can do some designs on the ends, like with one of my other ones. I've done like little goodie bag pokies. And I've also done it with this one, and then kind of I tried a wavy on this one. And this one I just left it plain. And also, since you already know what's inside this one, since we made it together, I'll be opening these 3 for you. So I'm just gonna put that aside. And let's start with this one. There's an eraser. Now with this one, let's see what's inside. One little chocolate. And then with this last one, dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun, da, da. One chocolate. There's something else. Another one. Ooh, one more. And one more. So 3 chocolates. So altogether, including this one, we have 4 chocolates and 1 eraser. And the other one, there's another chocolate. So actually, we have 5 chocolates and 1 eraser. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you really like this video. See you next time.